Hi guys, Gilbert Granillo here, author and creator of SponsoringMoreRepsOnline.com. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to include a capture page, or not a capture page, but how to make Facebook a lead capture page by putting an opt-in box right down here. That way you're able to capture prospects and get more leads for your business. You know, Facebook's pretty popular, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the autoresponder account. I particularly chose to use Aweber because I was having problems with other autoresponders. That's not to say that your systems are not compatible, but my particular system was not compatible with other autoresponders. So anyways, let's get right to it. What we need to do here is we're going to go to web forms. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to create a web form. So we're going to create a web form. Okay, and since we're going to use this for Facebook, we're going to call this particular one Facebook capture page. And you can see I already had it in here, but I deleted it so that I can show you guys how to get it there. Okay, so we're going to call it Facebook capture page or capture. The type is inline. You want it to appear within the web body. Okay, oops, push too many buttons there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and head on down. I have this set up to go to my thank you page. So when somebody opts in from my Facebook account, the first auto-respond message that's going to come out is actually going to give them the first capture page, which is a thank you for subscribing. Okay, and you want them to be able to open a new window, so you want to check that. And you want to post CGI variables. You really don't need to know exactly what it is, but just know that you need it checked. The ad tracking is Facebook capture. You want it to be the same as what your title is up there. Mine is sent also for a default message 1 for my autoresponder. So also they're going to get a thank you message when they come in and thank you for subscribing, and then they are also going to get kicked message number 1 from my campaign. So we want to click next. This is where you're able to design the form, and you can see here are the field options, and here's your form, what it's going to look like. I always like to add the phone number as well, just in case we're able to contact the prospect, because a lot of times if a lead or a prospect gives you their phone number, 9 times out of 10 it's because they want you to call them and they just don't tell you that. So we're going to click the green button here to add it, and then you can basically customize it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go here to the headline. And what I want mine to say is, I'm going to put test drive your very own online marketing system for only $1, which is true. They can test drive their own online marketing system for just $1. So what we want to do is we want to keep this in a column, because the column is not very big, so we want to keep this pretty much short. So after test drive you want to go and click enter. Okay, and then from here I'm going to click enter just to kind of make it a little more attractive. Okay, and we space it out here. We're going to leave this and hit enter, so marketing goes on the bottom. Let's see, system, we're going to backspace that just so that we can have a space. Whoops. And let's go here. Marketing system. Okay, we should have did this before, but it's okay. And there we go. Marketing system for only $1. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, I'm going to put my cursor here, and I'm going to highlight all this, and I'm going to basically customize it. So I want it in bold letters, I want it in italics, and I also want the font to be red. So by pushing that, I'm going to come over here, red, and this is what my form is going to look like. Okay, and then you're able to customize it more once you get on the next page. Save changes, and test drive your very own online marketing system for only $1. And then you can come down here and you can customize the button, so you can get it to say test drive. Well, you can see that's already in there. Test drive now. That way they click on the button and they're going to go ahead and test drive it now. Okay, so now go down here to save. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down to get the HTML. You can see here's the Facebook capture. Go to HTML because you want to get the HTML coding so that we can copy and paste it. Two versions here. Don't use Java snippet. Use HTML raw version. So go down into the box, left click inside so it highlights everything. Right click now to copy, and then you want to come up here to Facebook and you want to go to the search box up on the top right and type in HTML profile box app, and you want to type it just like that. That way there's no problems and you have the right options coming up to you. Okay, so the one that you're going to want is custom profile box. HTML profile box is for people that know HTML coding, and for most of you that are new to this probably don't know HTML coding, so let's use the simplest one for the average person to be able to do this. So we'll click on custom profile box. Now it's going to bring us to the next page, and you want to go to application. Whoops, that's my McAfee security thing is set really high. Okay, so go to application, and from here, since I already have it in there and you can see that it's there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the source, and I'm going to actually delete all this. Okay, and I'm going to right click and delete. And this is something that's really important here. You can see where this button says source. You notice that nothing else is populated here, and then you click source again and then everything populates and highlights. You want to make sure that you click source to where all these are non-populated, because that means that the HTML code is going to fit right in. Okay, so now copy and paste, and you're able to click source after you copy and paste it, and you can see that it's very small text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bigger. So you highlight it and change the size, and I'm going to go with a medium size. Well, actually that's too big. Let's try it. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to update the custom profile box. It's going to take you to the next page. Now click on profile, and it's not going to actually be ready yet because we got one more step before it actually is ready. Once your page comes back up, okay, go down to the bottom left and click on applications, and you want to edit the applications because you want to tell Facebook that it's okay to use this application. So you click on edit settings. You want to make sure this says everyone here, and you want to click on add in parentheses so that it changes to added, so you know that it was added. Click OK. Then you want to go up here to profile, and now it's going to have this tab boxes. You want to click on boxes, you want to open that up, and you're going to see your ad there. And what you want to do is you can customize it, which will take you to the previous page where we made it bigger. Just go to this pencil right here, click on move to wall, and you're going to see it come down into the bottom. Okay, and there you have it. There's your very own lead capture page on Facebook. So you can put anything you want, test drive your very own marketing online marketing system for $1. Okay, now this is really important that if you're going to put this up, you got to offer something of value, and the value is that people are going to be able to test drive their very own online marketing system, and once they click on that, it's going to kick them to my sales letter, my page, that is going to show them reasons why they should test drive this system for only $1. Alright, so those of you that are looking for help with your online marketing, maybe enhancing your business, you want more traffic, go to sponsoringmorerepsonline.com, and you're able to get some marketing training and tips. Okay, so again, this is Gilbert Granillo. You take care, and we'll see you all at the top.